Meet the Protmex Drywall Sander, a powerful 1000-watt wall sander with a pure copper motor that effortlessly smooths walls and ceilings up to 6.2 meters high. With 6 adjustable speeds, a dust collection system that captures up to 98.5% of debris, and LED lights for dark corners, this tool makes sanding faster, cleaner, and easier. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make wall sanding faster and easier? The Max XT 810W handheld drywall sander is your perfect DIY partner. With variable speed up to 2800 RPM, an upgraded soft pad, and 360-degree rotating discs, it tackles rough and fine sanding effortlessly. Plus, its self-dust extraction keeps your workspace clean. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Z810 Drywall Sander, an incredible 1880-watt power tool with 5 adjustable speeds from 1000 to 2100 RPM. Its double-deck LED lights, 360-degree swivel head, and extendable handle make sanding ceilings and walls effortless, while the dust absorption system keeps your workspace clean. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Transform your wall and ceiling sanding with the ZHGN 900W electric sander, featuring adjustable speeds from 1400 to 2700 revolutions per minute, a 360-degree rotating sanding disc, LED lights for low-light work, and a dust collection system. It's perfect for both DIYers and pros. Plus, it comes with 12 sanding discs and all the accessories you need. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy, powerful way to sand walls, ceilings, or floors? The POSN Pro electric drywall XT sander delivers with a 750-watt motor, adjustable speeds from 1500 to 2700 RPM, and a built-in LED light for perfect visibility. Its automatic dust collection and detachable handle make your job cleaner and easier. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Max XT electric foldable drywall sander, the ultimate tool for professional and DIY wall sanding. With an 820-watt motor, adjustable speed from 600 to 1900 RPM, and built-in LED lights, it ensures perfect results even in low light. Its foldable extendable handle reaches up to 1 meter 65 centimeters, making hard-to-reach spots easy, while the dust-free system keeps your workspace clean. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the POSN Pro 810W Drywall Sander, your ultimate DIY and professional tool. With adjustable speeds from 500 to 2100 RPM, LED lights for dark areas, and a powerful dust extraction system, it makes sanding ceilings, walls, and popcorn textures effortless. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to use, your perfect sanding partner. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.